Welcome back to the kitchen table. Today it's the ping pong table because we are coming to you from the gorgeous part of France that is called Normandy. But some interesting news. No matter what travels we are on, we bring you the news first on the kitchen table. So why are we here? Why is there a Mavic Air just there? Well, its older brother is about to be superseded. Probably the worst kept secret in history, the Mavic 2 is on the horizon. In fact, with an imminent release, we've been told. The logo, branding, PR blurb is saying, see the bigger picture. And as you can see on screen now, thanks to the UK retailer Argos, we've had a look at the features about what is going on with the new Mavic 2. Now, this isn't the Enterprise that we're seeing. This is the retail Mavic 2. So obviously there'll be an Enterprise version where we've seen some leaked pictures of different devices you can attach to it. However, this one is very much a retail domestic UAV. It's saying it's got a professional camera system. It's a professional version with a 1-inch CMOS sensor. Now, rather interestingly, DJI bought a huge amount of shares in the camera firm Hasselblad a couple of years ago. Well, this is the first time we've actually seen this technology come through. And the Mavic 2 Professional is seen with a Hasselblad camera. Massive leap forward with the Hasselblad technology. Also, interestingly, there is a zoom version which has a 2-time optical zoom. Now, this isn't a digital zoom that we've seen on some other retailers. This is an actual optical zoom from 24 to 48 millimeters. So interesting times then. Is the new Mavic 2 Professional going to be wiping the floor? Is it going to make the Phantoms redundant? What do you think? Leave a comment down below, just there, and we will see what the Mavic 2 Pro has to offer. We have been told this is an imminent release that was delayed from last month. So what could be in store? We obviously know that this now is very much a prosumer version with the optical zoom. Excellent range, 24 to 48 mil on a small UAV. Brilliant. On this size platform, it's fantastic. However, does this now mean that the Phantoms are now dead? Who knows? Is there a reason to buy a Phantom now? Very doubtful. But anyway, let's see what happens then. We don't even know if the camera is interchangeable, whether you can have different zoom cameras. What will that be coming at? Is that something good? Could that be something we'll see? Anyway, thanks for watching the kitchen table. Like I say, comments down below, and we'll see you again soon. Maybe from somewhere not quite as exotic as France, but we'll see you somewhere soon, definitely, on the kitchen table.